We're turning to the weather now. It's about to heat up, but the warmth brings the chance for storms. Meteorologist Lauren Casey is tracking severe weather for tomorrow. Lauren.
Thanks, Yuki. Yeah, yesterday we kicked off the first day of June, of course, but it certainly hasn't felt like it over the last several days with our high temperatures only in the low 70s. Nice low humidity. All of that is about to change big time. Also yesterday marking the official start of the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season, though we've already had two preseason storms, and now our third named storm of the season has formed in the southern Gulf of Mexico. Near Mexico right now, Tropical Storm Cristobal, winds up to 50 miles per hour, so some strengthening as of the latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center at 11 o'clock. Cristobal is forecast to kind of meander over the next couple of days and then eventually emerge out into the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico, where some more strengthening is likely. At this point, the cone of uncertainty taking this tropical storm up along the U.S. Gulf Coast towards the end of the weekend, potentially making landfall as a strong tropical storm somewhere along the Mississippi, Louisiana, or Texas coastline as we head into Sunday evening or perhaps early on Monday. But back closer to home, Cristobal will be no threat to us. Getting a live look at Center City, Philadelphia. All is quiet right now. Did have some clouds in place today, those cooler temperatures, but temperatures being held up as we're seeing an influx of surface moisture right now. 68 degrees in Philadelphia, 67 in AC. We're at 64 in Allentown. Pan off to the west. Check out some of those mild temperatures at this late hour, still up near 80 degrees in Columbus, Ohio, and this warm and more humid air mass is already starting to build its way in. We see that reflected in our dew point numbers, which tell us how humid it feels when you step outside. When they're in the 40s, it's atypically comfortable for this time of year, but now numbers starting to creep up into the 50s to the south and west. By tomorrow, our dew points will be up near 70 degrees, meaning a steamy day is in store. And for tonight, milder, only dropping back to 63 degrees, turning more muggy, mostly cloudy with a few showers and even an isolated thunderstorm rolling on through. And you do notice now on Storm Scan 3 some thunderstorm activity starting to roll into northeastern Pennsylvania, and one of those could sneak on through as we head into tonight, but a better chance of storms as we head into the day tomorrow. High temperatures soaring to 90 degrees for the first time this year. Partly cloudy, then scattered storms developing as we head into the afternoon and evening. And some of those storms could be strong to severe. The area under a slight risk of severe weather, category 2 out of 5 tomorrow and tomorrow evening. The main threat going to be damaging winds, frequent lightning possible as well, and we can't rule out the possibility of an isolated tornado. So overnight tonight, there's some of our shower activity moving on through. Quiet for the first half of the day tomorrow. Then in the afternoon, we'll likely either see a quasi line of storms or little clusters of storms that could contain some damaging winds, and then another round coming during the evening hours that could be a little bit on the stronger side before we head into midnight and that storm threat comes to an end. So be sure to stay weather aware tomorrow afternoon and evening and be able to receive any warnings. Still very summer-like with storm chances, heat and humidity into Saturday, but Yuki, by Sunday, clearing all of that out and much more comfortable conditions to close out the upcoming weekend.
Yeah, that looks good. Lauren, thank you.